imali esithenjini umfeleko kwaDuma. What if you say is your contribution? And that's saying that the finance ngoba abantu abaningi bamove into the financial side, which mina ke njengonkosikazi wakamfeleko nali iqhaza ngilibambile ukuthi lo mndeni kube into ehlangene ubumbane. Ngicela ungakhombe mojazi, ngicela nje an interactive space. Shiba somuhle sisi wena ubheka ngokwakho yiphi nje contribution enhle kwaMthumbe wathi nabo kwaMthumbe yema lapho.
And then ubaba uNdaba ke yena ungenwe yini azobuza umbuzo odom kanje azothi bekelani ama finances aside because abanye abantu bani because uMakhumalo is abanye abantu. UMakhumalo is the only wife who does not have children. What do you mean? What contribution have you made into this family besides money? Hibo lo baba lo uzokwakha yena noma uzobhidliza njengoba ngathi nje ama advice wakhe nje azela le naye. Yo ayangkwatisa lo baba.